Hello and welcome to my channel. For those who are new here, my name is Sylvia, and today we're gonna be creating this colorful blurred background for backdrops and design layouts. So remember to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications if you want to see more design related videos, and yeah, check it out. First things first is you want to create a new background, and to do that you click file, new, and I used 210 millimeters and 148 millimeters and 300 pixels. That's just basically A5 but in horizontal layout. So that's what I used as a background. And with the background you want to create, depends on the color you want for the colorful background. I'm gonna go with purple just because I can. Purple. I'm gonna go with purple, and then which is this color, any swatch. I think you can basically wing it. And now we're gonna start adding different patches of color. I'm just gonna zoom out, and also make sure that your brush is a big size. And I like to use colors that are somewhat close to the color on a different on a different layer. I start creating my patches with my big brush. And then we're gonna add some yellow just because we can. Yellow, some red. And I like to just have different colors on different layers just in case I wanna undo a color so that it can be reversible. Create a new layer. That's too close to the yellow, so no. Maybe let's just have a bit of that there. Do I want to have some blue? Maybe. So then I add another color, which is blue. And there you have it. It's actually very, very simple. That is a colorful blurred background, and you can use this for backgrounds to create your titles or at the back of images like I do with my illustrations. And yeah, that's how you do it. So you can check out different colors or variations that I did with different backgrounds. Feel free to add, if you want to do a gradient blurred background, like so for say blue, just change the colors by doing an overlay. Okay, blue like that, color, hue, and just seeing the different variations. And that's how you get different colors of the same. Say you want to do red, you can play around with red. And a lot of these colorful backgrounds create good backdrops for your titles or your images, so feel free to use them. Thank you for watching. Thank you for clicking. Leave your comments down below, and hope to see you in the next video.